Hello guys, how are you? This is Anand today here from Tech2New Heights, and today I'm going to review that how you can fix the Dolby Atmos issue in Lenovo A7000 Marshmallow. So first let me show you that I am in the Lenovo A7000 Marshmallow. About phone device info. So here as you can see it is Lenovo A7000A and Android version 6.0. Let me just show you it's Marshmallow. And now let's just get back, and to check the first requirement is that you should have a premium headphone, and the second requirement is to have a legal music. And how to check that whether it is a legal music? All you have to is to go to play music. For now I'm selecting this Ijazat song, and you will see that let me just connect my headphone. Yeah, so you will see that while listening to the audio there is no distortion, and the screen paper appearing is HD. Let me just show it again. It is appearing in HD as you can see. So this means this is a legal music. Now all you had to go when you will try this, it really greatly works, but in the mic in the video it will the voice quality from headphone will be not that great because of mic that I using is Blue Yeti today. My Samsung, I don't know where I lost it. So all you have to now running the music and increase the sound to full. And now let's just go to Dolby. First you had to click on the movie and 3 times press the volume button. After you have first you had to click on make it sure that it is on highest volume. Now click the up volume button 3 times, 1 2 3, and now click on music. Now press the volume button 2 times. Now click on game. Now click on voice. Now click on music, and it had been solved. But first thing that you had to notice before doing this all procedure, listen guys, before doing this all procedure you had to just go to settings. Before doing this procedure you had to go to apps, then click on more and show system. Now go to Dolby. Let me just go, and you had to clear data and force stop it before doing that button system. Then go to Dolby service and just force stop it. You have to just force stop it, and then you may proceed to the Dolby system that I tell you that how you can assure that it is working fine. Because when you will contact Lenovo, they will just say you that it might be your phone issue, and you may check it to the nearest service center. But everyone is getting this issue after the Marshmallow update, so we cannot say that it is an hardware issue. So by doing this, it may really get your things done. So let me just show you quality. So the voice will not be clear as on mic, but when you will do it in real, so it would really get some attraction and you will be thankful. So guys, that's it for now. Thank you guys. This is Anand from Tech2New Heights. If you like the video, if you get your Dolby Atmos working more greater than before, so give a thumbs up. You can comment, share, do anything you want to do. This is Anand, and I hope to see you in my next